Hey, I just want to show you guys a bit of a new update that Canva sort of brought out, and I'll show you a couple more that I've sort of gone through and experimented with. The one that I wanted to show you was the supercharged magic write feature, which Canva sort of added in now, and I think it's added a bit more intelligence to its prompts and the way they interact with re-prompting its AI feature. So it just makes it a bit easier to write with. So if you go into the home page, and then there'll be like a banner at the top, and it will show you Droptober. So yeah, been a little while since I uploaded the last video. I don't know what happened to the audio in that one, by the way, but yeah, I'm gonna try and experiment with the magic right, and I'll show you what is involved. So I'll click into this. Basically, the new features. I think it just it analyzes your content a bit better, and I think it prompts a bit more around the elements of your text. So yeah, initially what you can do, so Canva shows you how to basically edit, maybe say for example a bunch of text, and then how to repurpose it using a prompt, or extend the text using its new feature, like more like this and this but. So these are the two options that you can pick from, and here's an example it shows you. You don't get too overwhelmed, just experiment, and take your time and just read through what it kind of says here as well. It's pretty simple, you just have to add in your details and experiment. So I'm just going to change the details. I'm just going to change this to say, hi, I'm Arnold, a comms officer, and my favorite lunch, let's just say, is fried chicken. Excuse the US spelling here, I'm just going to do it anyway. So basically what it's telling us is copy the prompt, and then generate it, and then we can refine. So basically, okay, so what we can do, we can just copy this, and then hit magic write. Yep. So we just hit magic write, and then yep. And what we can do is continue, rewrite, make it more fun, more formal, etc. So there's a couple more options here, or you can do a custom prompt. What I'd do, maybe we'll just experiment with continue writing. No, actually, yes, let's just see what it does, because this is one of the new features. Cool. So it's kind of given a bit more writing in addition to the introduction that Canva gave us, which is kind of cool. Yeah, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so then now Canva is going to tell us that we can add more, we can replace it, or we can do more like this or this but. So if you hit this but, it will give you the option to re-prompt, and you can give your own spin. So in this instance, I want to create a short bio about myself in a social media format. So this but in a social media caption. Maybe I'll just say in a fun social media caption. So just hit enter. Oh, beauty. Just like a crispy piece of fried chicken, but satisfying, impactful. Awesome. So yeah, that is quite good. So you can see kind of how the AI that Canva is using is being now a bit more interwoven into the process of writing. So before it was a bit more ChatGPT like, so it's kind of got your own prompt and you can do so much. Now it's embedding it into a different style of workflow. So obviously you got you before and then you're after. So yeah, that's really good. That's pretty good. And if you hit more like this, it'll just give you more options for that. And this but, make it a bit longer. I don't know, let's just see. Yeah, there you go. So quite a powerful new tool that you can kind of scroll through and see your iterations as well. Quite a cool, powerful tool. And if you add below, you can create that additional text here. So quite an interesting tool to sort of use, and yeah, encourage you to sort of practice with it as well. Launch and launch your new buy. Yeah, basically all you need to do is just use the example document in Try Magic Write. If you've got, I'm pretty sure it should work without the Canva Pro version, so just give it a shot. I'm just going to try maybe one more thing. I might add a new page if I can. I don't think I can because this is a template. Okay, let's just retype this. Let's just say I love to skateboard. I don't know. And I am 19 years old. Okay, cool. So let's just say I want to turn this, I don't know, whatever, it's just an example, but I want to make this a bit more fun. So I'm going to try something else. Some more fun and absolutely shred. Oh, cool. So let's just say this, but in a social media format. Awesome. That's really good. So you can see how this can kind of help with creating documents. You know, if you're a social media, content creator, that sort of thing, you've got short time and don't have the headspace to create captions all the time. This can kind of help you speed up that workflow. I think that's probably the benefit of this. So yeah, so hopefully this kind of helps revealing a bit more about the new feature. Any questions, just let me know.